Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix WhatsApp storage full issue on iPhone. Nowadays WhatsApp has made our life so easier to share images, files, videos, documents, etc. with others without having to log into your PC and then send a mail attaching them. Having said that, it also consumes a lot of space on your iPhone with those huge images, videos, etc. Many iPhone users have been getting this error message from that says storage almost full or iPhone. Many iPhone users have been getting this error message that says storage almost full or iPhone storage full when they are trying to use WhatsApp. Don't worry if you are also facing this problem on your iPhone, because I'm going to tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for is clean items from the WhatsApp application. First you have to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once WhatsApp is open, click on the settings option at the top of the settings page, tap on it and then tap on storage and data. Now click on the manage storage option at the top of the setting page. Now wait for the page to load the data, and after that you need to delete some items that are unnecessary and you are done. And the next step is delete some hidden files from the Files app. Sometimes some files get saved on iPhone even after you have deleted a person's chat messages on WhatsApp. So this needs to be deleted from the Files app. First of all, you need to open the Files app on your iPhone. After it is open, then click the Browse tab at the bottom and then select the My iPhone option from the list. Tap on it. Then click on WhatsApp folder. Try checking for any data items in this folder like media, backups and database. If you find any data items no longer needed, please delete them in order to make some space. So repeat the same for any subfolders inside those folders and you are done. And the next step is turn off auto download feature. Launch the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once it is launched, go to the settings tabs at the bottom and then tap on storage and data. After that, under the media and auto download, select photos from the list and then tap on never. Go back and do the same process for audio, video and documents from the list. This will make sure that whenever you receive any WhatsApp message, it will no longer download the files automatically on your WhatsApp, which usually takes up more space, causing this error to occur. And the next step is reinstall the WhatsApp application. If none of the things worked out for you, please try reinstalling the WhatsApp application. Before proceeding, we request all users to create a backup of all the data from WhatsApp to a PC. To uninstall the WhatsApp application, first you have to go to home screen and look for WhatsApp icon and long tap on it and select the remove app option from the contacts menu. After that, click on the delete app from the pop-up menu. Finally, you have to tap on delete. This starts to uninstall your WhatsApp app from your iPhone. Once uninstalled, open the App Store application. After it is open, click on the search tab at the bottom and then type WhatsApp in the search bar located at the top and again reinstall it and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.